Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the COIFFEO Salon folding tray. If you're in the beauty industry like me, having a reliable and versatile tray is essential for ensuring smooth operations during color services or any other treatments. Let's dive into why I think this tray might just be the perfect addition to your salon or barber shop. First off, let's talk about stability. The COIFFEO tray boasts a sturdy alloy steel construction that ensures your color service tray stays firmly in place, even during hectic salon days. I've found that the stand provides excellent support, making it easy to work without any wobbling or instability. Installation is a breeze with this tray. You only need to attach the 4 wheels, and you're good to go. No complicated assembly required, which is a huge plus for busy salon owners or stylists who don't have time to spare. One of the standout features of this tray is its foldable design. When not in use, you can easily close it together and store it away without any hassle. And the best part? No risk of it getting stuck or jammed during folding, thanks to its well-engineered design. Let's talk about mobility. The COIFFEO tray rolls effortlessly on the ground, thanks to its high-quality wheels. Whether you need to move it around your salon or take it to different stations, you'll appreciate how smoothly it glides across the floor. Portability is another area where this tray shines. Despite its sturdy construction, it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to transport from one location to another. So, if you're a mobile stylist or frequently attend off-site events, this tray is definitely worth considering. With dimensions of 15.3 inches in diameter, 4.1 inches in width, and 47.6 inches in height, this tray offers ample space for your color bowls, brushes, and other essentials. Plus, it features a single shelf, providing additional storage options for your convenience. In conclusion, the COIFFEO Salon folding tray ticks all the boxes for what I look for in a quality salon tray. It's stable, easy to install, foldable for storage, smooth-moving, portable, and spacious enough to accommodate all your color service needs. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile tray for your beauty station, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.